We're here today to talk about taking control of your health with a proven simple plan. This isn't just another diet. This is the ultimate 28-day high protein meal plan. High protein is in, it always has been in, and it's even more in now, which is a great thing. And today I designed this to help you transform your health in 2026. I built this plan around a simple, delicious whole foods based type of eating because sustainable change requires meals you actually look forward to eating. The goal is to eliminate the daily stress of deciding what to eat while fueling your body for maximum energy, fat loss, healthy metabolism, so you see those results that help you keep going. So I'm going to give you the structure, the recipes, and the confidence to make this transformation happen. Uh, I'll go over some of the recipes that are in this plan, but um, the real meat of everything is, no pun intended, is on my website, totally free. The 28-day meal plan. It's the first link in the description. Go over there, print it out, whatever, totally free, no email, no, you don't have to pay for anything. Again, this is a high protein meal plan. My name is Nick Garcia. I'm a holistic health coach and certified nutrition coach. I've been helping women mostly over the last 20 plus years. I've sold over 25,000 of my programs around metabolism, carb cycling, intermittent fasting. And now I just want to give back and get back into shooting these videos to help people out. So let's jump right in. So why high protein eating transforms your health. If you want to feel fuller, control your cravings, and build a stronger body, protein is your key macronutrient. This particular slide right here highlights the measurable benefits of a high protein diet. And as you can see, they're powerful. Protein is the most satiating nutrient, meaning it keeps you full for longer and naturally helps you reduce overall calorie intake without feeling deprived. So that's huge. The plan here ensures that you get uh, a plenty 30 to 40 grams of protein per meal. I know that sounds like a lot, but trust me, you need this, which is about the sweet spot for maximizing these benefits. And so mostly women watch these videos. So even if you're just getting 25 to 30, that should be a good baseline for you. But this level of protein is crucial for weight management because it crushes those mid afternoon cravings and stabilizes your blood sugar, giving you sustained energy all day long. And for long term health, protein is essential for preserving lean muscle mass tissue, which is what I like to call metabolically active tissue because that's what is burning the fat. And especially as we age, it is vital for maintaining a healthy fat burning metabolism. This foundation of high protein eating is what makes our plan so effective. But what makes this specific meal plan different than everyone else out there, aside from it's totally free, building on the power of protein, I designed this plan to be simple and sustainable, not restrictive. Sustainability is one of my top 7 pillars for leading a healthy fat loss, healthy weight loss lifestyle. So I focus on the 4 core principles that eliminate the common pitfalls of dieting. First, every single recipe is 100% gluten-free, making it safe and accessible for everyone. I'm 100% gluten-free at home, and every now and then when we eat out 1 or 2 times a week, we might splurge a little bit and eat gluten-free and some seed oils. I mean, gluten and seed oils. Not on purpose, but you know what happens. Second, we maintain a low-carb focus, prioritizing non-starchy veggies and healthy fats to keep your energy stable and your body burning fat. And third, we are strictly whole foods based. You won't find any processed junk here, only nutrient dense ingredients that taste great. And finally, simplicity first is our mantra here. We know we're busy, so the recipes are straightforward, and we even strategically use leftovers for lunch to cut your daily cooking time in half. This is a plan built for real life, not for a reality TV show. Now let's look at how we structure these principles across the 28 days. So the structure of this 28-day meal plan is designed to eliminate decision fatigue, which is often one of the biggest barriers of success that I've seen over the tens of thousands of people that I've coached. So I've mapped out every single meal for 4 full weeks, giving you a clear path to follow. Again, I'm not going to go over all of them in this video, but just stick with me and then click the link to get to my website. So week 1 focuses on foundation recipes like the sheet pan chicken bacon ranch to build your confidence and stock your pantry with staples. As we move into weeks 2 and 3, we expand the variety with creative options like breakfast pizza and cottage pie, ensuring you never get bored. And week 4 cycles back to your favorites, reinforcing the habits that you've built. Remember, flexibility is built in. You can swap meals based on your schedule or preferences. The key is that the planning is done for you, and many of these recipes are perfect for batch cooking, which saves you time and money. Speaking of simple, let's look at the easiest recipes to get started here. Protein smoothie, easy. So I just want to prove how simple this is. We're starting with the essential recipe, protein smoothie. This is your ultimate grab and go breakfast, delivering a powerful 25 to 30-ish grams of protein in just a few minutes. The beauty of this recipe is minimal effort. You only need a blender, 6 simple ingredients, and 5 minutes of your time. There's no cooking involved, and cleanup is a breeze. So we combine the protein powder, almond milk, berries, and a little almond butter for healthy fats. You can even sneak in a handful of spinach. You won't taste it really, and you'll get those extra nutrients. This smoothie is perfect for those busy mornings or as like a quick fuel for after a workout. Next up is a no-cook breakfast option that is just as easy, Greek yogurt bowl. So move from the blender to the bowl for a second easy breakfast. Greek yogurt, ultimate no-cook option 2, giving you 20 to 25 grams of protein in just a few minutes. You literally just assemble the ingredients. You get your protein from the Greek yogurt, healthy fats, crunch from the nuts. I add in a little bit of collagen. I didn't put that in here, but that's what I like to do for any yogurt or smoothie type stuff. This is a perfect example of how simple high protein eating can be. And remember, you can customize this endlessly with different nuts, seeds, seasonal fruits, different types of protein powder. So let's shift our focus to dinner with a recipe that is a true weeknight hero. And I love the sheet pan, one pan type of meals. This recipe is a game changer because it delivers 35 grams of protein with almost zero cleanup. The entire meal cooks on one sheet pan, which is a secret to minimizing your time in the kitchen. And I'll also put links to various one pan sheet meals that are super popular on Pinterest. I have one of the top performing articles with one sheet pan meals. So for this one, you just simply toss in the chicken, veggies, and bacon with seasoning, spread it out, and let the oven do the work. Fantastic recipe for batch cooking because the leftovers make an incredible lunch the next day. But what if you only have 20 minutes to get dinner on the table? Try to skill it out. So this is a good one for super busy weeknights too, and great for variety. Just takes 20 minutes, also using one pan. We keep it low carb by using cauliflower gnocchi and save time by skipping the chopping. We use pre-cut veggies like cherry tomatoes. All you need to do is brown your sausage, toss in the gnocchi and vegetables, and simmer it all together. This recipe proves that fast food can be nutritious and delicious, delivering 33 grams of protein quickly. Now let's look at an ultimate hands-off cooking method. Crock pot. Oh yeah. It's a definition of set it and forget it cooking. You spend 10 minutes of prep in the morning and the slow cooker works. It's magic all day long. This recipe is a meal prep champion because it makes a huge batch of tender, flavorful pork that you can serve over cauliflower rice with coleslaw for a complete high protein meal. This single recipe gives you 35 to 39 grams of protein and enough food for several meals. So we've covered 5 incredibly easy recipes, but success requires more than just good recipes, right? So you have the recipes. Let's talk about the strategies that guarantee success over the next 28 days. And I don't know if you'd noticed, but I said to start this on January 2nd because I want to be realistic. And heck, it might even be January 4th. But I know you can get through these 28 days. Start when you need to. So the first tip is batch cooking. Dedicate a couple hours on the weekend to prep your proteins and your veggies in bulk. This makes weeknight assembly incredibly fast. Second, be strategic with your leftovers. Our plan is designed so dinner often becomes lunch the next day, cutting your daily cooking time in half, preventing those impulse purchases for lunch usually, and just saving you more time. And finally, one of my favorite things to say, listen to your body. Adjust your portions based on your activity level and energy needs. Don't aim for perfection, just like my speech, but aim for consistency. These strategies will ensure that you maximize your results. So I want to take a look now at the incredible benefits that you can expect on your 28-day journey. So we talked about the strategies, we looked at the recipes. Now let's look at the payoff. Yes, what happens when you commit to these 28 days of high protein eating? The benefits of this plan go far beyond just weight loss. They transform your whole body, your daily experience. You can expect significant physical changes, of course, like improved body composition, meaning you'll retain muscle while shedding fat. Lean muscle, don't worry about that word. This is a key for long-term health and a fat-burning metabolism. You'll also notice a major shift in your energy levels, stable blood sugar, so that'll eliminate those afternoon crashes, giving you sustained focus throughout the day. But the transformation isn't just physical, it's about reclaiming your time and peace of mind. Think about the lifestyle benefits. No more what's for dinner stress, less food waste, and more time back in your week thanks to the strategic use of leftovers and batch cooking. So these are the habits that turn your 28-day plan into a sustainable, healthier way of life to make it easy for you to keep it up. So, how do we start seeing these results? Well, get started, right? So, I know starting a new routine, especially the end of the year, there's pressure, it's overwhelming. So I want to try to break this up into 3 simple, non-intimidating steps. First step is all about planning your first week, which is the most crucial part of your journey. Take a couple of hours to review the week 1 recipes, build your shopping list, and schedule a short meal prep session for around January 5th if you're going for that January 2nd start date. But this can be done anytime throughout the year. I probably wouldn't recommend starting when I'm launching this video because that's like going into Christmas, but don't be afraid to start it whenever you can. So next, you need to stock your kitchen with the right food, essential proteins, low carb staples like cauliflower rice, and your pantry basics, of course. Having these items ready eliminates decision fatigue and makes healthy choices automatic. So remember to start simple. Don't try to master every recipe at once. Begin with the 5 easiest recipes we shared to build the confidence and get some momentum. Consistency is always more important than any type of perfection. So we're launching this for a goal of January 2nd. And here is my final call to action for you. So you have the complete blueprint now once you click that link to go to my website for transforming your health in 2026 and beyond. Start with this 28-day high protein meal plan. So you have the plan, the recipes, the strategic guidance to make it work for your busy life. Your next steps are straightforward and actionable. First, click the link, copy and paste all the recipes, do what you have to do, review the recipes to get excited about what you'll be eating. If there's something that you don't like, then look for other high protein recipes, ideally on my website, but they're all over the place. And just try to keep those macronutrients close to each other. And the most important step is a commitment. Commit to the full 28 days when you start. Remember this phrase: sustainable change comes from consistency, not perfection. Every healthy meal you eat is a step towards a stronger, more energized you. So if you need any other guidance, comment on this video. I monitor my YouTube channel and reply to every single comment. Thanks so much for watching. I just ask that you subscribe, that you head over to our website. I do have ads on there, but everything that I said is for free is legitimately for free. I do have programs, but you don't need them. You have all you need in this video and on my website. Again, subscribe. Talk to you next time.